Hi guys, it's nice to be back. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install MySQL server in your machine, regardless of whatever operating system you are using. Because again, today I'm going to use Docker to install MySQL server. Okay, let's get started. First, let me check if I have existing image in my machine. Let me display the images in my machine. So far, I have here Postgre, SQL server, Microsoft. Okay. So basically, I don't have my SQL server yet. Okay. So let me install the MySQL server. I have here the command that we need to execute. Okay, let me explain to you. So basically, this is the image that we are going to download from Docker Hub, MySQL. Okay, then the password, we can put any password that we want. Then the name of the image, which is MySQL, and the volume, meaning where we want to store the data. Okay, so this path or directory must be existing in our local. Okay, then the port mapping, by default the port is 3306. Okay, so we need to do port mapping so we can access or we can connect to the MySQL server externally, right? Because Docker is a container, right? So if we don't do any port mapping, we cannot even though we install it successfully, we cannot access it. Okay, so that's all. Let's run it. Alright, so as you can see, we cannot run the image because it's not existing in our local, right? But Docker is smart enough to download it or pull it from the repository, from Docker Hub repository. Okay, so after the Docker install this MySQL, of course we need to test. So we need a database client, like for example dbber. Actually, I downloaded the dbber. It's actually free. See this one. This one is a community version. You can download it from dbber website. Okay, so for us to test our MySQL server, we need a client application like this. Okay, so let me create a connection. So we want to connect to MySQL, right? So let me. Alright, so we need to, by default, when you install the MySQL, it will create a user name root username. Okay, okay, so the password for this is the one we specify here, MySQL root password, now which is number 9. Okay, so let me try the password and log in. Number 9. Alright, let me test it. Oh, we got some error here. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Okay, this one we just need to set the property to true. This one, allow public key retrieval. By default it's false, so we just need to change this to true. Okay, alright, so after that we should be able to connect already. Let me try again. Okay, see, successfully connected, right? So let me go inside, finish. So this is our MySQL. Okay, the database, by the default database is sys. Okay, then there is some default table like sysconfig. Okay, if we want to create database, we just use this tool to create a database. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. It's easy to install MySQL, right, using Docker. So regardless of your operating system, whether it's Mac, Linux, or whatever Linux it is, or Windows, as long as we are using Docker, it should not be an issue. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Happy learning. Bye bye.